29. An equilateral triangle has sides of 6 centimeters. Equilateral, equal, lateral is side. What do we know about equilateral triangles? If all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. What's the measure of the angle exterior to the base? Every math problem for the rest of your life, first you draw a picture. Equilateral triangle, sides are 6 centimeters. Who cares what the side lengths are? The sum of the angles of every triangle add to 180. All three angles are equal. 180 divided by 3 would be 60, 60, and 60. If this guy is 60 degrees, what is the measure of the angle exterior to the base? What is this angle? We have a straight line. This angle plus this angle make a linear pair. They add to 180 degrees. So 60 plus 120 has to be equal to 180. There's one more way we could do this. We know that the exterior angle to a triangle is equal to the sum of the two other angles. So 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. Either way, C is going to be our answer. Problem 30. Which expression can be used to solve for x? Okay, well, we don't even really have to look at the answer choices. What can we do? We can think about the problem. What do we know about angles and triangles? Well, we just talked about the fact that the two remote angles equal the exterior angle. So we set up our equation like this. 2x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5 equals 6x plus 10. We combine like terms. 2x plus 4x gives us 6x. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well, 6x plus 10 is going to be equal to 6x plus 10 for every possible value of x. Let's see what our answer choices are. Is this angle equal to this angle? We don't have any information that says that's true. 6x plus 10 minus 2x plus 5 would equal 4x plus 5, so that's not it. 2x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5 plus 6x plus 10, that is the first thing that we even thought about. 6x plus 10 equals 120. We have no idea whether that's true. The answer has to be C. It's true for all real values of x, limited only by the fact that this plus this plus this have to equal 180 degrees, but I digress. Okay, 31. Which of the following could be a value for x? Well, let's see. We know by the rule of triangles that the third side has to the third side, we'll call it G, why not, has to be bigger than the difference and smaller than the sum. So G has to be between 13 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So anything bigger than 7 and smaller than 13 is a good answer. square root of 91 is a little less than 10. That seems that might work. 7 would not work because it's not bigger than 7. 91 can't work. That's certainly too big. And this is certainly too big. This is bigger than 10 because the square root of 100 is 10. That might work as well. I wonder where they're assuming this is a right angle. If they're assuming this is a right angle, then we can use the Pythagorean theorem and say 3 squared plus g squared equals 10 squared. G squared equals 91. So again, that has to be our answer, but they have to tell us this is a right angle before that is true. Don't you hate the funky problems? There you go.